Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your speaker Onyx 8. And firstly, you need to turn on your speaker, so press one time at the power button at the top of your speaker. And now we turn on it. Now, press at the same time volume up button would look like a plus and Bluetooth button until your speaker is turned off. So press and hold it. Here we go. After that we should remove it. So click at the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget the device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device. And after that press one time at the power button to turn on your speaker. Here we go, and then press one time at the Bluetooth button to enter prank mode. Right here we can see it as a device list, so just click on it. Just click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!